Keep going, keep grinding. Strength is not about never failing or falling, it's about rising again with more understanding each time. So today, I want to tell you to speak kindly to yourself. The way you think matters. Replace doubt with belief, even if it feels unfamiliar. Remind yourself that you are capable of more than the things you sometimes allow to see. Your mindset will influence your actions, and your actions will shape your results. Also, pay attention to the little things, to the little details. The warmth of the morning sun, which I love, a kind words from someone, the satisfaction of completing a simple task, and of course, gift yourself after every task you've completed. These moments may seem small, but they build a sense of gratitude and balance that carries you through the day. Set an intention for the day. It could be to stay focused, to be patient, to learn something new, or simply to give your best effort in whatever you do. Let that intention guide you when distractions comes. Remember this, you don't need permission to move forward. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need the decision to try, the courage to continue, even when it's not easy, is what creates real changes over time. So, my brother, my sisters, I want you to lift up your head. Take a deep breath. Step into this day with purpose. Work with confidence, even if it's quiet confidence. Trust that your effort matters. Trust that something meaningful can come from today. And also, go out there, shine, and make this day count. Not by doing everything, but by doing something with heart, focus, and determination. To my ladies, know that you are beautiful, you are enough. To my brothers, know that you are handsome, you are created